Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. So today we have to apply this particular MQTT. So through this particular MQTT, how we are going to do inside the Python. So generally when we work regarding towards this MQTT means in NodeMCU we have seen in a different way of installing the package or calling that particular topic. Everything it has been completely different. Now the same thing here we will be working with the Raspberry Pi. So we will be reading all the data with the help of DHT sensor towards my mobile, and at the same time we will be just integrating that particular mail alert with the help of SMTP. So the same process, whatever we have seen, that particular same process for MQTT as well as SMTP, the only change over here is with the help of Python. So to the Python, only for MQTT we have to add the package, no other things are required. Then once when we are working regarding to this MQTT, it is completely set as message queuing telemetry transport. So from that particular message queuing telemetry transport, here we will be just integrating all our requirements. Like the system should work under the queuing transports like client as well as the server. So from that server, we will be enabling that particular topic with the help of a MQTT broker connection. So what is an MQTT broker connection? Now let us take a different companies of a communication like Airtel, BSNL, Vodafone. So these three are completely different by the name of company, but everyone are providing the same frequency or same that particular net or whatever the package. Definitely the rate is some different over there. I'm not saying regarding the rate, but once when we go for this kind of three different companies, for Airtel they have a separate tower which has been set for the substation. The same thing if we go for BSNL, they have a separate tower which has their own frequency. So like that, even for MQTT also we have different broker connection. Like once when we are working for AWS, it was 883 or we can use 443. The same thing for MQTT inside Microsoft Azure. There also we were having that particular host value inside the connection string. Okay, so that is completely regarding towards that different parts of this MQTT port. The same thing if we go for a normal MQTT means whatever we are working with the help of app or like MQTT dashboard.com, they will be providing the TCP port of 1883. So through that 1883 only we will be able to inquire all that particular data. So from the data here we will be able to send towards the same port whoever saying that particular topic. Nowadays we are doing the conference call and all. So that particular conference call and all, comes under, it is related to this. But inside the communication there is no such MQTT protocol and all. I am hereby just providing an example for it. So if you know a person's number means 5 members will be able to connect into that particular call. Likewise, if you know the topic name of this particular MQTT broker or the server, from that n number of people will be able to log in. So like previously whatever we do, the same things now also we will try. So what are that particular process? So first initially it will be publishing the data. The published data with the help of the topic name, it will be sending into the broker connection. So whoever has set that particular subscriber person who has set that particular topic, those person will be able to receive the published value. And once after receiving that, towards the same topic, we will be able to send back the data. There is no such if you install this package, this is only possible. If you install this package, this is only possible. There is no such a kind of function at all. So here the function is, it has to send the data. Whatever the data it is being sent, it is known as publish. Whatever the data it is being received, it is known as subscribe. For both we can use the same topics. Or you guys can also configure the different topics over here. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.